What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. So as a last day of trading week, as you can see, as GBP news is coming in 30 minutes, we can see a lot of volatility in the market. So before I begin this session, as usual, like the stream and also subscribe to the channel. Let's see what's happening with gold and other instruments as well as GBP pairs. We will be looking at one by one. Also use the live chat if you have any question, if you want to ask any specific question. I'll try to get back to all the questions that you are asking. So let's quickly look at on, first of all, I will be looking at gold as usual. Looking at the daily perspective on gold, we can see that from the daily, yesterday there was a massive rejection on gold. There was a massive drop, as you have seen, to this support level. Now after this drop, the price in fact had made significant movement towards the downside, and then today so far we have seen that as the news is coming, suddenly the market became a little bit of volatile gold market from this level. And what I think that as the news is coming, we might see some movement to the upside on gold. Before the 4-hour candle close, we see that suddenly gold started to rise to the upside. So let's see what gold is doing. If we look at the 4-hour, we can see the market just had a rejection from this level. In 24 minutes time, this candle is closing on 4-hour time frame. What I think that the price might test this level, and then we can expect again another rejection. So first of all, I would like to see a bit more bigger picture. Daily, as I mentioned earlier, daily chart is first what I look at. Now from the daily perspective, we can see that there was a massive drop on gold to this support level. Now after this drop, we see that gold from this level today, after breaking this low, there is a primary bounce towards the upside. Now this bounce could be a movement, starting of a move, or we could see further drop. Now we will understand it from lower time frame price action. If we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see that after previous 1-hour bearish candle, this session suddenly gold had a primary bounce to the upside. Now this bounce we need to look at from many point of view, as we see that there is a long-term downtrend. We could see potential reversal, but before the reversal, let's see where we can find an entry opportunity. Now there is a W formation here on gold, and with this W formation, suddenly gold before the news had a primary bounce. I think that gold might, after you see that there is a W formation here as well, double bottom. The price has formed another W on top of the previous one, so the bulls might get slowly active in this market. Now this is the 5 minutes time frame that I'm looking on gold. So we need a retest of this neckline. This is the previous resistance here, turning support. If with this impulse, we can expect accept it as a valid impulse for another bullish move. If we see that gold has tested this level support properly as this resistance as a support, then we can look for potential buying opportunity on gold. Now as the GBP news coming, we might see that strengthening on gold. Let's see what kind of price action it is trying to form in this lower time frame. Before the news, this movement will give us a clear idea of how gold is moving. As soon as we will find an entry, we will be jumping on the trade. We see that very volatile. Let's quickly look at the GBP as well. All right, we see that GBP pairs, If you look at the Gbpjpy and Gbpusd, Gbp is still not much. We saw that suddenly volatility on gold market. If we look at the 4-hour on Gbpusd and the daily, so daily price action on Gbpusd, there is a very strong rejection from the top with a long bearish engulfer on Gbpusd. Now with this bearish engulfer, what we saw that the price has crossed this high and then closed back below. So if we compare GBP and gold, we can expect if the gold bounce to the upside, we might see that Gbpusd also bouncing towards the upside. Now lower time frame price action, I'm coming back to gold again to see, as it is currently volatile, we might see a bit more bullish price action, or any kind of strong movement will give us an entry opportunity. So as you can see, this is the 5-minute chart, very strongly showing bullish momentum. Pardon me. If we see that gold has come down again, tested this smart money zone, this previous resistance as a support, I will be looking for an entry opportunity. At this point, you can see the price has triggered that liquidity zone. This is a resistance line here on the lower time frame, and with this liquidity zone, this is also the 15 minutes candle. We need to see that the price has shown significant volatility, then we can look for an entry. Let me know, guys, in the live chat which one you are at and what instrument you are looking to trade, so that we can stay in the same page. Do you think that gold is gonna reverse, or you think that it's a fake move? Thank you for joining the live session. Ground Rising Wizard, thank you very much. Tony, morning coach, good morning sir, morning everyone, morning dollar CAD, yeah, absolutely. Hello sir, is it safe to trade with MT4 or EVA option? I say let's trade safe with MT4. Yeah, MT4 is better always, absolutely. It's the most popular one. Thank you very much, Eurusdjpy, thanks for that. Can you change? Yeah, absolutely you can. Good morning coach, how to join masterclass and how much? Mauli, thank you for asking. It's a great opportunity now to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You can visit the website, all the information on the website. So the first link below this video, there's a lot of value in this channel, as you have seen. The first link below this video, or the link at the top of the chat, you can see the website www.forextradingwizard.com. You can visit the website, and once you're on the website, you can click join now button, and then you will be able to access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I will recommend you to join now. There is a lot of opportunity here you can find in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So we see that gold had a sudden rejection from the top. So let's see what it is planning to do. As we see a 15 minutes candle closing, there is sudden volatility. Okay, we see that the price is now testing this level. For me, I will be interested if gold break down again to test this previous resistance, turn support here. If the price does this, test this level, then we can look for an entry opportunity on gold. Let's find out how the price might be doing. We see that there is a lot of bullish pressure coming suddenly. I think it's because of the GBP news. As GBP news coming, right, we could see that with this news announcement, gold might be getting very volatile. 100. So if we look at the 1 hour chart, we can see that from the 1 hour, gold is trying to break to the upside. 15 minutes. Okay, so this is pardon me, it left a neckline here. This is a smart money zone, and in that level, so there is a 5 minutes candle closing, couldn't break the high. So what I think that now we might see a pullback, and then with that pullback, if the price shows significant rejection from this neckline, this is a smart money zone. We can look for an entry for potential buy if we see that. So there is a gap opening. Now this gap opening is quite significant on 15 minutes. Let's see. There is a very strong bullish momentum suddenly on gold. I think it's because of the Gbp news coming up, and with that there is a gap opening here as well. That might lead gold to the upside. Let's find out where we can see entry opportunity. The way I see this price action, as there is a 4-hour candle close in just 15 minutes. So this candle close on gold on the 4-hour will really be crucial here. We might see a retest. If we see significant rejection from the support level, we can look for potential buying on gold. There is an impulse, and we could see that with this impulse, okay, so there is a sudden bullish move on gold. I think that we can look for opening. Let me see. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna open buy position on gold. My stop loss below this low TP target, I'll target 221 on this trade. And I'll explain why I'm opening this position. Also, I'll be sending the same trade to VIPs as well. The price action on gold is highly bullish. We could see that gold is breaking towards the upside. So as GBP news coming, gold looking to me very bullish. So as soon as we open, the price start to move in the direction. And also I have sent the same trade to the VIPs as well. Now we can see that gold is highly bullish, and there is a sudden strong bullish momentum on gold. And what I think that we might see gold coming towards the upside. Okay, so there is a, if we look at the overall price action, looking at the 1 hour chart, so as soon as you see the price has reached certain profit zone, we will be taking some profit, and then we'll move the stop loss at entry. Now while we are running this trade, guys, let's quickly look at our previous trade. This is our VIP trade yesterday that was sent out to the VIP channel. Now this trade, unbelievable. You can see that because it's important that, guys, you also learn and grow as a trader. Now everything here I'm showing is only for your development, so make sure, guys, you take it easy and positively and very educative way. Now you can see when I finish the NY session live, this is a real example that you can look at how the market moves. Now we had a massive trade from here, you remember, during the NY session live, and afterwards I was still watching the price action. Now you can see exactly when the price prepared for reversal. This is where I have entered this trade at 1914.54, and also I have sent the same signal to the VIPs as well. Stop loss at 1912.70, take profit target at 1926.29, and that trade, you can see from here, as soon as we open, there was a massive movement to the upside, has gone up, has given us the massive profit in this trade. Now this is a very good example of to look at how to find reversal and profitable trading opportunity in the market. Now, why did I open this position? There are a couple of things that I can discuss. We do have a strategy that we trade this kind of market. Now, so I will explain all of them, that what was the reason. First, let me see what's happening here on gold in this trade that we have opened. The price action here to me potentially bullish. So let me see. Okay, so quickly looking at that, let me see. Okay, we see that the price trying to bounce to the upside. We need to see significant bounce, otherwise we'll be managing the trade accordingly if needed. Now from here, look at the 1 hour chart. There is a 4 hour candle closing in 4 minutes. So it is forming a doji at the moment. So okay, so the doji is forming that bullish pattern. Okay, so as you can see, the price now pushing high towards our direction. Okay, so now at the moment we need to see that gold has broken to the upside. You can see it is a bullish market at the moment. We see very strong impulse. I think that as the news coming, we can look for that impulse with the GBP news. Now the impulse, we need to see that it's gone to the upside, the way the price action is doing. And as soon as we will break to the upside, we will be taking partial profit and we'll move the stop loss at entry. Now the way I see this price action looks to me that very strongly bullish, and that's why I have opened the position. I could any time the price could come down for a spike. In that case, you know, we can't do anything. If it does, we are in a very top edge. Okay, so this 5 minutes candle, this is the 15 minutes one, which is closing in 1 minute 42 seconds. A very strong bullish candle, followed by, if it is a doji, then we might see a bit pullback. Let me see. I want to see that this candle closing at a very this 5 minutes one closing as a bullish candle or a liquidity candle. And then unless otherwise, if I'm closing at entry, I will give a big shout out. Let me see. First of all, if I'm expecting it to have a strong bounce. The way we see this price action, we can expect the price for a bullish move. So this, if this one is closing up, this one is closing as a long bullish candle. Okay, as soon as it will break to the upside, we will move the stop loss at 1914.88, because if this one is closing as a strong bullish candle, we can expect for the price to, yeah, that's what happening. We see that bullish move. We need to see it's breaking towards the upside. Okay guys, are you with me? Let it go to the upside, unless because the news is coming, we could see spike. Look, we need to see a breakout. One second, there is a price has reached that resistance zone, and so let's quickly look at the GBP. What's happening with the GBP? Okay, so there is a very strong bullish momentum on GBP. So GBP got stronger. So GBP USD also having bullish momentum. That is reflecting on gold as well. Let's keep eye on gold. Okay, we see that movement. I have entered in my profit zone. Let me know if you're enjoying this live session, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now it is important to see that the price maintaining that bullish structure. Otherwise, even with the minimum profit, we will be closing out if needed, because I want to stay in profit no matter what. Long-term perspective. Okay, so far bullish. Now it might take liquidity, or even without taking liquidity, we could see that bullish momentum. Let me see the news result, guys. Okay, we see that momentum, because it's a bit stronger resistance, taking a little time, but the way the price is showing, very high probability that we might see the price is going up. And I want to see that hitting the profit target again. Back-to-back 3 massive trade that will be completed after this yesterday's live trade in our VIP group. Let's see this one, if it is giving us the one that we are looking for. I mean profit. Okay, awesome, very good. Let me know, guys. What is the situation with you? Are you enjoying the trade? Okay, that's awesome. Going to the profit now. All right, I'll keep you updated when you need it. Okay, so this 5 minutes candle, we need to see it's closing above as a bullish candle, and then the next one is bouncing up to our profit target. Okay, so the price action is so far is still bullish. Okay, 15 minutes. The 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour candle is bullish so far, and I want to see that this one is breaking towards the upside as expected. The momentum is stronger, and I think that we might see that the market is going up to our TP target, guys. Okay, that's awesome. Let me know how many of you on the trade and enjoying the profit running on gold as well. This is Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Every day we are making huge trade, and if you are missing out the real trading, guys, if you are losing money as a trader, then I would recommend you to join now today. The website link in the description area. This is the best trading education you will find, that trading live in the market, in the real money. Okay, I put my real money, I trade in my real account, and I'm a real trader. You have seen that. If you want to learn from me, learn the strategy, and you can join today. There is a discount going on. Thanks for advice. No problems. I'm in trade. Thank you. So I'm expecting it to have a bounce. Now we are almost nearly 1% profit. Nearly. I'm nearly at 1%. If we need to take the partial profit, I'll do an announcement, and then I don't know why my boys get shady sometimes. Okay, so moving up. Great trading. Thank you. I'm enjoying profit. That's awesome. That's awesome. Now you can see that yesterday's trade that I have sent to VIPs, you guys see that what happened from here with this narrow. See, these are trading, right? It's a 7 times profitable trade. We closed at 4 times profit. This is a gold trade. Exactly this one. You see that. How did I send? I targeted here, closed at the point, and from that zone the price reversed. Okay, this is how trading. You need to, if you really want to learn, join us today. Don't hesitate to ask any question that you have. So now we see that the price so far showing potential bullish, and I think that I'm expecting it to remain bullish, to have another bounce, and then if needed we can take partial profit. But I think that the way I see price action, because it had a bounce from the daily support, we could see that upside further. Okay, now it might, if the trend is exhausted, we could see liquidity gap, but I think that we might see still continuing to the upside for a bit more longer term. And from the weekly you can see the price has broken the previous weekly low, so there is a probability for the price to come back at least 1925 level again. All right, and with the GBP news, the price showing that there is a volatility now. Let me see. Okay, so far maintaining bullish, market structure. Okay, so in the meantime, if you are trading in your account. So make sure that always you trade with a regulated broker. All right, we recommend Trade currently, and Trade is regulated. You can join Trade using the link in the description, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat. You can use Trade using clicking the link. Trade regulated broker. So you can click the link and then you can register for free, start trading with a regulated broker. You can start trading even with a smaller account or any capital that you have. So you see that gold is keep moving to the upside. Now this is the continuous gold trade that we are winning, the one that we had opened here on the live session. You saw that from that zone how much the price has dropped, and this one we opened during the session after the live session. Now if you want to see how I am learning and growing and making real trade every single day, then I'll recommend you to join right now. Link in the description area, and also link at the top of the chat. So once you are on the website, you can click the link, and then once you click the link, just click join now button and you'll be able to access everything, all the strategy that you can see. The price is moving in profit now, all the strategy, all the trades that I'm opening. Now for those who are following our live session, you see that we do have everyday winning trades, but make sure that guys always manage your risk. Anytime any trade can go wrong, so make sure you are not losing big capital. So currently gold is heading to the upside, and we are up almost more than, so it's 2 to 1, more than 1% now at the moment in my account. I'm up more than 1% in my account on gold, and I'm expecting it to hit the full profit on this one. So what I will do now, I'll take only 30% of my profit. So 30% means, sometime I ask, how do you take 30%? 30% means, for example, 1/3 of your position. If you're running 0.9, only 0.3 lot closing, 0.6 lot is still running. So bigger portion, 2/3 position will be still running. The reason only taking small profit is because we are not closing out the trade, guys. Keep in mind, we are not closing out the trade, we are taking partial profit, but majority of the, because I want to take the bigger profit and full profit. So it's just to move the stop loss entry in case any spike down. If we are break even, we cover commission and all of them. So I will also update the same to the VIPs as well. This is where the real trading happening. Make sure you join the free Telegram channel as well, guys. In case any one of you don't know how to take the 30% profit, at least if you move the stop loss at entry, you are safe. So now the trade also I have updated to the VIPs. Now the trade is a break-even, it's a safe trade, it's a risk-free trade, another gold trade winner after this massive trade. You can see this one, this is a real trade, guys. You can see with the entry stop loss, you can check out. This is 11th of August. Today is still 11th of August because after 12 AM I have sent this trade from this level. For those who are on the VIP, know that this was an awesome trade as well after the New York session live, and that trade has gone here, has given this full profit, and we closed out here, and from that zone the price has reversed. Now I got some question from some of you, said that how do I predict that way gold reversal. I'll show you. All right, so I'll answer this question. It's very important that also you guys know how I'm trading, because knowledge is transferable. I want you also to know how to trade, like, you know, like a professional trader that can, you know, see the profit running all the time in their account is growing, which is very important. Okay, so the account, the trade is moving up. So I want to know how many of you in this gold trade and running profit. And if you are running profit, and if you see that this gold trade since we started, I need one thing from you guys: smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet, so that you don't miss out any of that. So I'm gonna pause for 2 seconds so that everyone have time to do the smashing the like button and also hitting the subscribe button. That is awesome. Thank you for that. And I really appreciate your support to the channel. All these things for you guys, so that you can get benefited and you can learn trading. Because when I began my trading, I was hopeless, helpless, losing money every day, you know, not finding any way. And from that place, this Forex Trading User Academy is created to help trade. Is going to the profit target now. You see that this is a, you can compare everywhere. This is okay, Lolo, thank you very much. Running profit, thank you, good morning. Let me know guys if you haven't opened the position. Also let me know in the live chat. Running profit, awesome, thanks. I closed and opened at pullback, awesome, thank you very much. Make sure you keep the profit in your trading account. My TP at 1920 area, that's awesome. Thank you. Not sure it will be able to reach. Okay, thank you. Running profit, that's awesome. The price is very strongly bullish. Okay, thank you, coach. US30. Yep, we'll be looking at US30 as well. So this one now almost hitting the full profit target. Okay, that's awesome. That's moving in that direction. Okay, so you see that the market is moving up. I think we might see a bit more stronger bounce, because there is a huge imbalance in that zone, and that could be a reversal call as well, because there's a news coming later today. And if you look at the daily chart on gold, you see that the price has broken this doji low, which is a high liquidity zone. Now guys, I in all my analysis, this is what I mentioned, that this doji is quite significant, because there is an imbalance here and the price has broken that low, now started to reverse. And we could see that with this movement, it is possible for gold to go back to the daily 20 MA, or at least to test this trend line on the daily. All right, so there is a probability for gold to have a stronger bounce. You can see that. And with this doji, the price initially has bounced, and with this bounce, what I'm expecting for the price to go back to this 20 MA or even breaking this high, though it is a downtrend, but we have seen a very strong manipulation here, and with this manipulation we can expect for the price to remain bullish some more time, and that's what we need, right? We need that the price is giving us the profit that we need. Now there is a doji here on the 5 minutes. Let's see what this doji is trying to do. We are risk free on the trade, but let me see what it is trying to do. Okay, so you see that another bullish momentum. Right now, look, the real profit comes in trading by adding position to the winning, cutting any trade not working in your favor. So if any trade not going in your favor, the best is to cut the loss as fast as you can. If any trade going in your favor, the best practice is to add to the winning position. All right, now how do you add to the winning position? If you blindly add to the winning position, chances that you might lose your capital, your trade as well, what you have gained so far. There are ways you can do that, and I'll explain that this weekend in a separate video I'll release on YouTube, and also I'll be releasing to the VIPs as well. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also press that bell button so that you are notified. So did you subscribe? Can you check on your app or PC where you are watching? Make sure that you subscribe. So did you do that? That's awesome. If you haven't done, do it, and also press that bell button so that you are not missing out anything. Now at this point we see that this trade we are running in good profit. Let me see that how the price action is forming here. Is it trying to get a strong reversal, or let me see if it is forming this kind of dojis long wick candle, which is still bullish, like this bullish candle. Do you think that it could have probability of going to 1920? Yes, there is a probability. Okay, it is in a very strong bullish momentum. Okay, as the news coming later today, all right, we could see even very strong momentum. The way the price action I see here, which is potentially bullish price action. Okay, so if it keeps pushing high, yeah, we might see that going up, and even it might be very bullish as well. Let me see the news calendar to see when the next news coming up. So if we look at the calendar, so there is a news coming tonight, core PPI and PPI. So that news with the GBP news released today, that could lead gold to be volatile. Let me look at, guys, on euro dollar. We see that there is a very strong bullish momentum on euro dollar as well from this support level. GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD has reached this level, and from that zone we see the price gather liquidity from the top and also from the bottom. We see that with this gathering liquidity multiple times, that looks very bullish. Now this movement on Gbpusd euro dollar also very strongly bullish. Okay, so you see gold moving up again. All right, now there is a huge potential for gold to rise up because this is an imbalance, okay, and it might go back to the resistance zone again. As we see, there is a double bottom and then reversal from this level. Okay, so this 5 minutes that has formed, which is also bullish. I'll just move my so I'll just manage that. Just move my stop loss a little far, so my entry at 1915.82. Okay, just to make sure that okay, so there is we are almost nearly hitting the TP target. Let's keep it up. It's a break-even risk-free trade now, but I want to see that the price been able to break the high and hitting that profit target. You know, when the price create a momentum, it normally keeps moving and moving and moving, and that's the beauty of trading gold. Very volatile. This is what we need, you know. This is why I love trading gold along with many other instruments. I do trade GBP, JPY, euro dollar, GBPUSD, but gold also, you know, on the lower time frame is very good to find a lot of trading opportunity. All right, so let me know you guys move the stop loss and made the trade risk-free, which is very important for the trade management. Risk management, trade management is the key to be profitable as a trader. So far it is a bullish. Okay, It's going up, and so the price action here also bullish, and I'm really eagerly waiting to hit the full profit target, a risk-free trade. And the only thing, guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the stream, press that bell button. And if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading gold in front of you with incredible profitability, including this one, and also if you want to receive all the trade that I'm opening, I do send all my trade. You can see this is a real trade, sent out the gold trade just after the New York session live from here when the price was reversing from this zone. And you can see this is what happened from that zone. The price has gone up, and this is a almost 4 times profit from risk to reward ratio trade that has given us this profit, and we have secured that trade before coming down. And I have posted the update as well for VIPs so that they can learn and grow. Okay, so this is why I invite you. I'm just looking at what is the best opportunity next. I invite you to join us. Link in the description area, also link at the top of the chat. So if you want to be part of the trading community, you can do that. Also, I can give you the mentorship link in the live chat. So www.forextradingwizard.com. This is the mentorship address where I can give you in the live chat. So once you are on the website, just click join now button, and you'll be able to join to be part of this trading community, and you can access all the trading tools that I'm using. Also, you can see all the trades that I'm opening with entry, stop loss, and take profit, and you can learn the premium strategies that I'm trading. So far, all the knowledge is available for you to take from the website. All are available. So you see that gold moving up, and let me know if you are still running that trade, and then I will be looking at euro dollar, Gbpusd. Let's keep that gold trade to trigger our full profit, and then we will be looking at other instrument as well. Good morning, coach. Link to Telegram. Thank you, Amo. So I have given a link. This is the website link. So once you are on the website, you can click join now button, choose lifetime access if you want to be on the lifetime, or many other options available, and then you can proceed. And once you join, everything you will receive in your email address. So once you click join now button, you join Forex Trading Wizard Academy. All the links, everything you will receive on your email address, and from there you can start your profitable trading journey. I'm in profit. Thank you, Arna. I appreciate it. Thanks, coach. I'm in profit now. Thank you very much. Gbpusd, Gbpjpy. Thanks again, coach. Wonderful analysis, learning so much. What's your favorite food? Very good, very good. Thanks for that. Hello. Thank you. Nice trade. Thanks for that. Have you trade silver or platinum? I do trade silver. Because we trade gold mostly, so because silver and gold almost they are big brother and small brother, so I normally try to focus on gold. Sometimes if I see that price action is a bit more clearer on silver than gold, then instead of gold I take silver trade, but mostly on gold. It's Gbpjpy and USD channel is way down. So if gold is bullish, means that means that they might be coming down, because they normally move opposite direction. Hi everyone, thank you. Above my biora, so it's anything still in profit. Thank you very much. I just joined King. Thank you very much, King. I'm sure that you will enjoy. Jay, that's fine. Sometimes we miss. That's why, the best thing, if you are on the VIP group, even if you are not, let's say you are somewhere else, if you couldn't attend the live session, no problem. You still can receive all my notification in entry, stop loss, and take profit. And also you can see all the updates that I'm posting. So that's why I recommend you to join if you don't want to miss anything. So let's see now. Let me see this price section. Okay, so I still see potential bullish. All right, unless there is no reason for the price to get rejected. Still there is a probability to the upside from the weekly as well, from the monthly. So we might see the price, at least going back above the monthly. This is a, this is the monthly trend line here on gold, and from this monthly trend line the price had a bounce. Now with that bounce we can expect for the price to continue to rise. All right, so from intraday perspective and from the 1 hour. Okay, so from 30 minutes, yeah, so 30 minutes candle is also a bullish candle. Now 5 minutes, let me see this one. Okay, so whenever we see that long wick candle is being created, that is where we can look for potential movement to the upside. All right, if it goes to 19, I think that, yeah, we might see 1920 is broken with this movement, and if it is breaking that 1920 we will have massive movement to the upside. Now our TP at 1917.97, around 1918. We are currently almost so let me see my TP. Yeah, so our TP at 1917.97. I want to see that this one is closing as a long wick candle, so that we can see that price is moving in that direction. So the momentum is very strong. Let's keep that running, and in the meantime let me know in the live chat which one you are looking at. Thank you, Loda Ni2J. Thank you very much, Loda. Hi, okay, thank you very much. MMB, what is the TP on this trade? I think it will go up to 1925. Our TP at 1918, around 1917.97. But I think so. Here we need to see that this one is, making effort to go up, because here is little bit of resistance appearing. Now there is a doji on the 15 minutes. Let me see. I want to see that this one is closing. The momentum is strong, so there is a probability for this is the 5 minutes candle, right? We need to see this one is breaking the high and closing above. If not, then we might see some local breakdown. Okay, so like this, if it is closing as a long wick doji, the next one we can expect it to be breaking to the upside. The candlestick pattern is still bullish. So now here is the main question. There's a gap opening, still bullish, still I'm expecting. We are almost nearing our TP. Almost nearing our TP, that's good. Okay, we see that momentum. All right, so okay, thank you, Hogo. Lot showed you things. If I enter one lot, then how can book 50% of lot size? So 0.5 lot. So if you enter one lot, booking 50% means that you close 0.5 lot and you keep running the other 0.5 lot. That's how you can book 50% profit from one lot. Basically, you'll divide by that factor and then you'll get it. Let's say if you open 6 lot, divide by, if it is 30%, divide by 3 and see 0.2 lot will be closed out, 0.4 lot will be running if it is 30% close. If it is 50% close, then you can take 0.3 lot and then you can move 0.3 lot. Now look, here is little bit of price action, little bit of there is a movement. Is it trying to come down for a deeper pullback? We need to see. Okay, we might see this is swing low. Okay, like this. We need to see that this one is yeah, like this, forming a strong bullish and breaking to the upside. All right, and in the meantime guys, make sure you like the stream in profit Gbpusd and pairs. Yeah, depend on your strategy, should go for our doji candle. Okay, very good, thank you. So we see that now this 5 minutes price action on gold. Now we need to see a spike up. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes candle. Now this 15 minutes candle I want to see is closing as a bullish doji, a bullish candle. Then next one we should be able to see again upside. So this long week candle is basically representing potential buying pressure. Last 1 minute, I want to see that this one is closing as a strong bullish price action. Okay, we see that. Okay, so the price action, the 5 minutes candle form a bullish candle. Let me see. Okay, so it formed a long wick at the top, so which is potentially bullish. Now, okay, it needs to be able to break high, yeah, which is needed for us for this movement without breaking this low. Even it didn't gather any liquidity here, all except this doji. So there is a strong momentum. If we look at the 1 hour, now is there any chance of locally breaking? Okay, so this 5 minutes just has crossed the previous one's low. Okay, it might come down for deeper pullback. Let me see. We are almost nearly in a profit zone. If we need to manually close, we will be closing out. First, let me see where the price is trying to be heading. Okay, so I'm closing out manually with full profit, because it might come down for a deeper pullback. I've closed out with full profit. As I mentioned, as soon as we saw it, it's dropped. So I closed out with full profit. Let me know if you have secured. So from that zone, okay, let me know, can you update? So with this breakdown, if we find an entry again, we'll be enter again. I think it might come down again for a retest now. This is the 1 hour candle. That 1 hour candle might closing as a doji, and the next one we might see that breaking towards the upside. If we need to enter, we will be entering again. Then I will be looking at, I close 1917, very good. Deviation, will be discussing that. Okay, so let's keep gold to give us another entry. In the meantime, I will be looking at now Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. That 5 minutes, this is what I was suspecting here. This narrow one is a exhaustion candle. Okay, so I will be looking at now from here. Either it could drop further to break this swing low, or even it could come to test this smart money area, and then from here we could see bounce, or we could see again bouncing off to the upside. All right, so let's see. We'll keep that aside now at the moment. In the meantime, quickly let's look at GBP USD. Now GBP USD, we saw that from the daily. Okay, so from the daily there was a long daily candle, very long rejection. Now if we look at today's candle, we saw that from this level GBP USD had a bounce to the upside. Now with this bounce, the price so far has gone up. All right, now I think that if we look at bigger picture from the weekly perspective, GBP USD is a bearish market. Pat, the EMS that I'm using is 10 and 20 period moving exponential moving average. So EMS are 10 and 20 EMA, 10 period and 20 period. So blue is 20, red is 10 period. Now if we look at GBP USD, okay, so from GBP USD we can see that this is a daily bearish candle on GBP USD. Now with this daily bearish candle, what we saw that the price so far had a very strong rejection. Now if you look at, this is a resistance line, the price has created a false breakout, has broken down. Highly likely that we could see GBP USD might be testing this level again, because this is a very common structure you will see in the market. Let's say a false breakout, like the market is dropping like that, suddenly has broken to the upside, a false breakout, and then you will see the market will drop back to the support and will go back up to the resistance again before trending towards the downside. Okay, this is a very common market structure. Now if you look at GBP USD, you can see this is a resistance, the price is respecting that, and one candle has broken all of that, gone up, has come back down. Now we could see another retest, and then from that zone we can expect to come down. Now from lower time frame on GBP USD, we see that there is a very sharp rejection yesterday. This is what we discussed, has broken all this low. I think GBP USD is going up now for a pullback, and then we can expect it to trend to the downside. This is a probability that you can see it's forming a head and shoulder. GBP USD might remain bearish, but just going up for a deeper pullback. Now the same thing applies with the gold as well. If you come back to the gold, let me see on the 5 minutes. Now you can see the price action on the 5 minutes after breaking this low to this level, has come to this significant level. Now it is trying to create another bullish momentum. Now on the lower time frame on gold, I think that highly likely we could see gold today trending to the resistance and then coming back down again. So we are trading gold on the 5 minutes. That's why we see that potential bullish price action on gold. Okay, so Sugam, very good question. How to avoid false breakout? How many of you are on that question, thinking about how to avoid the false breakout? Do you have any idea? I also need to know, guys, how you think. Can you answer this question, how to avoid false breakout? Then I will be looking at my viewpoint and also your viewpoint, important. Let us know in the live chat. And in the meantime, let's see where we can find another entry. GBP USD for the short term. Also, I need to know what time frame you trade, so that you know to see exactly GBP USD. I think that guys, GBP USD testing a very important level, and now GBP USD, you see that this move on GBP USD, this two candle is a fake move. Okay, we see it's a false breakout, an immediate rejection, retest. I think GBP USD, you can see, tested the 20 EMA as well. Very highly likely that this candle is closing in 2 hours time. I think that we could see drop on GBP USD later. So if we see that there is a significant rejection, we might see another retest, and then we can expect for the price to come down. Now how far it will go up for a retest is a little bit of time to see, but longer term, if we look at the weekly and daily, it is a bearish market, and we could see that remaining downside. As news is coming today, we might see that GBPUSD also coming down. So for gold, from gold perspective, if we reflect it on gold, what we see that gold from this support level had a bounce today. We had secured a profitable trade. Also, let me know guys, have you secured the profit on gold? Have you secured the profit? Gold going up. Okay, trying have wait for break. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me know in the live chat if you have secured profit on gold. And now okay, so here now 1 hour candle closing as a doji. Now this 1 hour candle, after closing of this, what I think that the price might break this hourly low, which is the 1915 level, and then what I think that we could see another movement to the upside, which is also the previous resistance turning support, aligning with many 20 EMA. Okay, I think that you see this is the 1 hour chart, and So this local breakdown might give another momentum on gold. Okay, there is a 1 hour middleman. Let me know in the live chat which way you think that gold again heading. Yes, secure, thanks very much. Dave. Okay, yes, profit on gold, thank you. Awesome, thank you for that. Okay, still potential profit on gold, but entered Asian session 1913. Okay, so that means that you are in a very good profit. That's good. That's very good. Let me look at guys in indices, US30 and NASDAQ. So looking at US30, looking at the daily on US30, we can see that from the daily, okay, so there is a, you can see there is a daily doji on US30. Now this market, you know, gathering liquidity from both sides. You can see there is a break to the downside, has gone up, and again break to the upside, has come down. I think that this liquidity gathering might lead US30 to drop. Now from the weekly, we can see that this is the weekly candle, which is today is the last day of trading week. It's forming a long wick, a doji, a shooting star. Now if you know, if US30 is not breaking this week, which is less likely, it might respect this support next week, and we could see that again bullish momentum, because from the monthly it is a very strongly bullish market. So far we have seen significant pullback, and we might see that again bulls moving up, or it might range in a narrow zone. Now from the daily, you can see this is a smooth trend line on the daily, a doji here. I think that initially we could see a break again, and then we can expect it to go up. Now different time frames showing different kind of price action. So from the 1 hour, if we look at this instrument, currently not good to trade on 4 hour or higher time frame. Instead, I would say that it's now good to trade on the lower time frame, because you can see very interesting structure here, and this is a resistance, false breakout to the upside, and also false breakout to the downside. What I think that US30 is likely to do, highly likely to drop first, breaking this previous liquidity zone, gather liquidity, and then could rise to the upside, and it might range for a bit more extended time, because it's ranging. The best place always in a liquidity break. Now I will create a separate video as well. We always talk about the trading with the trend, but also it is important that you know how to trade with the range, because the market 70% of the time ranges, 30% of the time trend. So because it's now a ranging market, if you look at the 1 hour, I think that US30 only the place for me I will consider when I will see that the price has broken this low. All right, liquidity, especially it's a long-term uptrend, so breaking this low, going to the upside, or breaking this high, and after a rejection coming down. So this could be the situation with US30. Highly likely we could see that range. So from lower time frame, any break, rejection, we look for buying opportunity on US30. Okay, so going back to gold again to see, now you can see that guys, don't miss out any opportunity. Now this one, This is the New York session live trade. Today also in this live we have secured. Yesterday New York session live after the news was a profitable. Many of you have experienced that. And after the New York session live, this is a massive trade also we have secured in our VIP group just after the New York session live. The same trade was sent out with entry, stop loss and take profit target. If you join us, you can see all the trades that I am opening. You can learn all the strategy I am trading. So I will invite you to join today to access all the trading tools, all the strategies, as well as all the trade that I am opening. You can see and you can be part of the VIP chat group. To join us, you can find a link in the description area, the first link below this video. You can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Also, there is a link at the top of the chat. Once you are on the website, click join now button and then you will be able to join us to be part of this trading community. Any question, don't hesitate to ask the live agent. So let's see now on, so this is the 1 hour chart on gold, and in this 1 hour chart okay, so from the 5 minutes you can see it's basically trying to break the swing low, and I think ultimately we'll see again coming to this smart money zone. Okay, this is a very crucial point to look at. This is a smart money area. This is the previous resistance, right? Turning support here in this smart money area, and either we could see, you know, creating a double bottom here, okay, bouncing off because it's a strong momentum. If we see that it has given enough reason for us to enter again, I'll be entering again. Or if we see that it has broken down to this smart money zone, then we'll look for buying again. It will all about the price action confirmation. Price action is the key tool that you can see on the chart. The only thing that as a retail trader we have is the price action. So make sure guys you master the price action, market structure and liquidity. These are the 3 secrets that one must master to be profitable as a trader. If you are not sure about those, also stick to the channel. Every day we discuss a lot of things. All right, so like this stream guys, and also subscribe to the channel. If you want to join a regulated broker, you can join our recommended broker EverTrade. They are regulated, so you can use the link in the description area, and also I have given a link in the live chat. You can click the link and then you can register for free. You can start trading with a regulated broker. Your capital will be in the safe hand trading with a regulated broker. So with that said, what we see now, gold a little bit in a sideway. I will look for another entry on gold or any other instrument, as we will have another live session very soon coming up. I hope that I will see you there again. Until that guys, I hope that you enjoyed this live session. In a quick time we had a quick trade. I want to see more trade coming along the way in the New York session, London session time. So until that guys, I'll see you again in the next live. Stay well, stay happy, manage your risk when you are trading. Thank you.